In this video, I'll show you how to insert an Excel sheet in Canva. So to get started, go ahead and open canva.com, sign into your account. So as you can see, there are different options that you have in here to sign in to your account. So I'll simply sign in with mine using my Google account. And then once you're signed into your account, you'll get redirected into your Canva dashboard. So you just need to simply click on continue from here to continue to your Canva account. Now, once you're on your dashboard, go ahead and click on sheet from the tools section to create a new sheet on Canva. So once you're in here, you'll be able to find this file button at the top left of your screen. Click on that and then click on upload files from here, and then click on upload files again from here, and then click on the Excel file from your local drive, and that will be uploaded to Canva. So on the design section under uploads, you'll be able to find that Excel file. So click on it and that will be added to your blank sheet page. So click on replace current page and that would be placed into your Canva sheet, and that is how you can basically insert an Excel sheet in Canva. If this video helped, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.